special video for y'all today. I got a Glock 45, Gen 5, 9mm, custom build for y'all today. Y'all wants me to build this thing up.
All in middle school, I had that gas all in my book bag. Ran out on the plug, finesse again soon as you shook back. I don't believe in cover, I still run right with a ski mask. Any place I make a sale, I deliver to the rehab. And the traffic smell like onions, keep that pistol, it's a must. Too many ops up in this wood, they can't fit.
So, I'm pretty much a dumbass as I was like customizing the weapon. I was trying to film it, but I filmed it as like a time lapse, so you couldn't like listen to me explain and whatever. But I'm just gonna give y'all a quick run through since I fucked it up. You know what I'm saying? So let me check. So I put a custom wrap on there from fucking Amazon. Shit don't look too bad. It was only fucking, I think, $12. I don't know, I'm gonna put the link in the description, but custom, looked like a Ethica type deal. I got some underwear in my closet that's just like this, actually. That's what made me think like Ethica, because I got some Ethicas that look like this. But then I put a grip on there, also from Amazon. This was another like $10, but it, to show y'all it's clear. I know what I'm doing. I handle weapons every day, it's my job. But nice little grip on here, so you can hold this motherfucker steady. It's already steady as it is, but this grip, you're OP. You know what I'm saying? Then I got this little tactical laser / flashlight, also off Amazon. I didn't even know they sell lasers on Amazon. I was about to go buy one from the Base Exchange, and that motherfucker was like $250. But I bought this one for like, I want to say 60 something, 60, 70 in that ballpark. But it got a laser, you know what I mean? It got a flashlight and a strobe light, and it has rechargeable battery, so that's a plus. And lastly, I got the EST mag, the 40 round. You know what I'm saying? I got the drum on the way. I just ordered it. It should be here sometime next week. But yeah, I kind of fucked up the video. I was gonna walk y'all through me like building it up, but I kind of fucked out. But I'm gonna take y'all, show y'all a better view of the laser and whatnot. So here go the light. Show y'all the light. Yeah, you see that bit? You know what I'm saying? Then we got the strobe, line dress. You know what I'm saying? That laser looking mighty nice. And the combo, you can't really see the laser on the fucking phone. My phone is terrible. I need the phone. See, now you can see it, but I can see it from where I am, but you can't really see it. I guess you can, I don't know. But yeah. My boy, stay tuned, because next week we're gonna go fire this motherfucker. And yeah, y'all gonna see that immaculate aim.